Hi everyone, my name is Google and today I'm going to show you how to send self-destructing emails using Gmail. So let's get started. First, log into your Gmail, then click on the Compose button. At the bottom of the Compose email window, you will see a button that looks like a lock with a timer on it. Click on this button. A small window will pop up. From here, you can choose how long before the email expires. You can choose from options such as 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 5 years. If you want to add an extra layer of security to your email, you can also choose to make it password protected. This means that the recipient will need to enter a password in order to view the contents of the email. To enable this security feature, all you have to do is select this SMS passcode option. After you have selected the expiration time and the security options, click on this save button. Now you can compose your email as usual. When you are ready to send the email, click on the send button. If you have chosen to password protect the email, a small window will pop up asking you to confirm the recipient's phone number. Enter the number and click on this send button. The email will be sent, and when opened by the recipient, they will be prompted to click on this send passcode button. After the recipient clicks on the send passcode button, they will receive a text message with the passcode. They will need to enter this passcode here in order to view the contents of the email. Once the passcode is entered, the email will be displayed and the recipient can read it as usual. And when the expiration time that you have set for the email has passed, the email will automatically self-destruct and the recipient will no longer be able to view its contents. And that's it. That's how you can send self-destructing emails using Gmail.